Are you looking for the best electric bike to buy in 2026? You're in the right place. Whether you want insane speed, long battery life, off-road power, or a compact folding e-bike for everyday rides, today we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026. From premium mountain beasts to budget-friendly commuters, these bikes seriously impressed us with performance, comfort, and overall value. And hey, links to all the bikes mentioned in this video are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's jump straight into the list. Starting off at number 5, we have the insanely powerful 2026 Specialized S-Works Turbo Levo 4 LTD. The Specialized S-Works Turbo Levo 4 LTD electric mountain bike is built for riders who refuse to compromise between raw trail power and premium performance. Designed to dominate steep climbs, technical descents, and rugged backcountry terrain, this high-end electric mountain bike delivers an adrenaline-filled riding experience that feels both powerful and incredibly natural. At the heart of the Turbo Levo 4 LTD is its advanced electric drive system, engineered to provide smooth and responsive pedal assistance exactly when you need it most. Whether you are powering through rocky switchbacks or climbing aggressive mountain trails, the bike responds instantly with impressive torque and controlled acceleration. The result is a ride that feels effortless while still giving riders full control and confidence on demanding terrain. The lightweight carbon frame gives the bike exceptional strength without adding unnecessary weight, making handling feel agile, precise, and stable at high speeds. Paired with elite-level suspension components, the Turbo Levo absorbs rough impacts with ease, allowing riders to stay comfortable and focused even on the harshest trails. Every detail of this bike has been carefully crafted for serious mountain biking enthusiasts who demand professional-grade capability. Beyond performance, the Turbo Levo 4 LTD stands out with its sleek and aggressive design. The clean frame integration, premium finishes, and modern geometry create a bike that looks just as advanced as it rides. Long battery life ensures extended adventures without range anxiety, while customizable ride settings allow riders to fine-tune performance for different terrains and riding styles. From weekend trail sessions to extreme mountain expeditions, the Specialized S-Works Turbo Levo 4 LTD transforms every ride into an unforgettable experience. At number 4, we've got the Flex Folding Electric Bicycle. The Flex Folding Electric Bicycle is designed for modern riders who want the perfect combination of portability, convenience, and everyday performance. Built for busy city life and effortless commuting, this compact electric bike makes traveling through crowded streets faster, easier, and far more enjoyable. One of the biggest highlights of the Flex Folding Electric Bicycle is its smart foldable design. In just seconds, the bike can collapse into a compact size, making it incredibly easy to store in apartments, offices, dorm rooms, or car trunks. Whether you are commuting to work, taking public transportation, or heading out for a weekend adventure, the lightweight and portable frame gives riders unmatched flexibility. Despite its compact size, this electric bicycle delivers surprisingly strong performance. The efficient electric motor provides smooth acceleration and reliable pedal assistance, helping riders tackle hills, traffic, and longer rides with minimal effort. The bike feels responsive and stable, making it ideal for daily commuting, quick errands, or relaxing city cruises. Comfort also plays a major role in the Flex riding experience. The ergonomic seat, upright riding position, and easy-to-control handlebars create a relaxed feel that reduces fatigue during longer rides. Its compact wheels improve maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate tight urban spaces with confidence and precision. Battery efficiency is another standout feature. The long-lasting rechargeable battery offers dependable range for everyday travel, while quick charging support keeps downtime to a minimum. Riders can enjoy smooth electric assistance without constantly worrying about running out of power. Visually, the Flex Folding Electric Bicycle features a sleek and modern design that perfectly matches today's urban lifestyle. The clean frame lines, minimalist styling, and practical engineering give it a premium appearance while maintaining everyday functionality. Coming in at number 3 is the Heybike electric bike for adults, one of the best all-around value electric bikes you can buy right now. The Heybike electric bike for adults is a versatile and rider-friendly e-bike built for people who want comfort, power, and everyday practicality in one stylish package. Whether you are commuting through busy city streets, cruising around town, or exploring weekend trails, this electric bike delivers a smooth and enjoyable riding experience that fits perfectly into modern lifestyles. Designed with both beginners and experienced riders in mind, the Heybike combines strong electric performance with simple controls and dependable reliability. Its powerful motor provides responsive acceleration and smooth pedal assistance, helping riders conquer hills, longer distances, and daily commutes with far less effort. The ride feels natural and balanced, making every journey more comfortable and efficient. One of the standout features of the Heybike electric bike is its fat tire design. The wide tires provide extra grip, improve stability, and better shock absorption across different terrains, including pavement, gravel, dirt paths, and uneven roads. This added versatility allows riders to confidently switch between urban commuting and outdoor adventures without sacrificing comfort. Comfort is another major strength of this e-bike. The ergonomic seat, upright riding position, and well-balanced frame reduce fatigue during long rides while maintaining excellent handling and control. Riders can enjoy a relaxed and stable riding experience whether traveling to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a weekend ride. Battery performance is equally impressive, offering enough range to handle daily transportation and extended recreational rides on a single charge. Multiple riding modes, including pedal assist and full electric operation, give riders the flexibility to customize their experience based on speed, terrain, and personal preference. At number 2, we have the Freesky 2026 Alaska Pro dual battery electric bike, and this thing is built for serious adventure. The Freesky 2026 Alaska Pro dual battery electric bike is built for riders who crave power, endurance, and true off-road adventure. Designed to handle demanding terrain and long-distance rides with ease, this rugged electric bike combines high-performance engineering with all-terrain versatility, making it one of the most capable e-bikes of 2026. What immediately sets the Alaska Pro apart is its advanced dual battery system. Built for extended range and all-day riding, the dual batteries provide exceptional power capacity that allows riders to travel farther without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're exploring mountain trails, hunting routes, forest roads, or remote outdoor paths, this bike is engineered to keep going long after many other e-bikes need to stop. Power delivery is equally impressive. The high-output electric motor delivers strong acceleration, smooth pedal assistance, and excellent climbing ability across steep hills and rough terrain. From rocky trails to sandy paths and snowy roads, the Alaska Pro maintains stable and confident performance in nearly every riding condition. The fat tire setup plays a huge role in the bike's off-road capability. These oversized tires provide outstanding traction, enhanced shock absorption, and improved stability on uneven surfaces. Combined with a durable suspension system, the bike creates a smoother and more controlled riding experience even on aggressive terrain. Comfort and durability are also major highlights. The reinforced frame construction feels strong and dependable, while the ergonomic riding position helps reduce fatigue during long adventures. Riders can confidently tackle challenging environments without sacrificing comfort or control. Visually, the Freesky 2026 Alaska Pro features a bold and aggressive design that perfectly reflects its rugged personality. The modern frame styling, integrated battery layout, and premium components give the bike a powerful and high-performance appearance that stands out instantly. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Coswheel Ribbit T20 1000-watt 48V electric bicycle. The Coswheel Ribbit T20 1000-watt 48V electric bicycle is built for riders who want serious power, bold design, and a truly thrilling riding experience. Designed with performance in mind, this electric bike stands out as a strong contender in the high-powered e-bike category for 2026, delivering speed, style, and everyday practicality in one aggressive package. At its core, the Rybit T20 features a powerful 1000W motor paired with a 48V system, giving riders impressive acceleration and strong torque output. Whether you are climbing steep hills, accelerating on open roads, or navigating city traffic, this bike responds quickly and confidently. The power delivery feels smooth yet exciting, making every ride more dynamic and engaging. The riding experience is further enhanced by its well-balanced frame and ergonomic design. Built to support both comfort and control, the Coswheel Ribbit T20 allows riders to maintain a relaxed posture even during longer journeys. Its suspension system and fat tire setup help absorb shocks from rough roads, potholes, and uneven terrain, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride no matter where you go. One of the most attractive aspects of this electric bicycle is its versatile performance. It is equally capable as a daily commuter bike and a weekend adventure machine. In the city, it offers quick maneuverability and effortless cruising. Off-road, it delivers enough strength and grip to handle dirt paths, gravel trails, and light rugged terrain with confidence. The design of the Rybit T20 also deserves attention. With its motorcycle-inspired styling, bold frame geometry, and modern finishes, it looks powerful even when standing still. The integrated battery design keeps the profile clean while maintaining practical usability for longer rides. Battery efficiency and riding modes add even more flexibility, allowing riders to switch between full electric power and pedal assist, depending on their needs. This makes it an excellent option for riders who want both fun and functionality in a single machine. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric bikes of 2026. Which one was your favorite? Let us know down in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.